Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Hopy and today I'm doing a Yamikawaii look. Jumping directly into the base. I want to create a paler skin, so I'm neutralizing my yellow skin tone with a lilac color corrector first. Remember to match your neck too. Thereafter, I'm applying my regular foundation. This foundation is super liquid and thin, so it just gives back my skin a little color. I'm usually using two different concealers, one with more pink tones for my dark circles and one with yellow tones for redness. They're light and creamy in texture, so I like to dab it on with my finger to melt it into the skin. I'm setting the base with a thin layer of white powder to keep the pale look. Alright, skin is done. For brows, I'm using a grey beige eyeshadow to match my silver wig I'll wear later. I'm shaping the brows straight and natural bold, but try to keep them transparent. Since my brow hairs are dark, I lighten them with a brown mascara. Start combing your brows backwards to get in as much product as possible and then comb them back in place. Prime your eyes and get ready for some creepy cute eyes. I put in some dark circle lenses before continuing. So for the base color, I'm using a burnt red brownish color and apply it with a fluffy blending brush top and bottom. Leave the center of the lid free. I actually had to change my lenses since I couldn't see with other ones. Next, I'm using a dark matte burnt red and blending it out from the lower lash line. Work it up to the outer upper lash line too. I'm using an orange peachy blush and applying it right under the eyes like traditional Harajuku style. I'm also adding a bit on the nose bridge and under the nose tip. Now that we look tired and creepy, let's add the kawaii with a red color. I'm just applying a bit to the outer lower part and inner part around the nose bridge. Make sure to blend it out well. No kawaii without sparkles for me. I'm applying a red glitter eyeshadow to the center of my lid and inner corner. Time for eyeliner. I'm drawing a big thin winged liner following my eye shape. Then I'm drawing some underlashes, since I don't like wearing fake lower lashes, but please do if you like. Okay, grab your favorite highlighter, cause it's time to shine. Add it to all the high points you like. I added it to cheekbones, nose bridge and tip, and cupid's bow. Shine, check. Upper fake lashes, check. Let's amp up our big eye game with a white liner in the waterline. Then I'm using a liquid white liner to draw some details. I'm extending the inner corner for the eye to appear bigger. And then drawing a small cut crease to make the eye look pop a little more. Lip time! I wanted to create a soft lip look with a little twist. So I'm applying a liquid lipstick to the center and then blending it out with a Q-tip. Then I'm dragging the color a bit out so it looks smudgy on purpose. I added a little glossy lip balm when I was done. Time for a little love potion. I'm using heart-shaped sequins from the hobby store, and you can add as many as you like. I'll keep it minimal for now, so guess it's time to get dressed. Dang! I'm teasing the wig a bit to get more volume in. Then find whatever accessories you have that could work as creepy. Be creative. I'm gonna use a rope and tie it as a choker. please read up on Yamikawaii and men hairstyle if you don't know about it. I'm wearing a leather bra harness and a Vivienne Westwood lighter, not inspired by Nana manga at all, nope. My jacket is a sail jacket in black, white and red to keep the color scheme. You can go for pastels too to make it extra kawaii. I'm putting on my favorite beret and add a skeleton hand as a hat/hair clip. You could go for the eye patch for extra darkness, or cute round glasses for the more cute effect. Or both. For the eye patch look, I added some red liquid lipstick for blood effect and the red heart sequence. And we're done! Thanks for watching! Let me know what you think about Yamikawaii style in the comments and give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. See you!